In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Figma files as PDF. First, open your design in Figma and make sure you are on the correct page of your file. PDFs are generated from frames, so think of each frame as a page in your final document. If your content is sitting inside groups or auto layout containers, that's fine as long as those elements live inside frames. Frames are what Figma looks at when building the PDF. Next, arrange your frames in the exact reading order you want. Figma follows a simple rule when exporting. It looks from top to bottom and left to right. That means the frame in the upper left will become page 1. The next frame to the right will be page 2, and so on. Moving row by row. To keep things predictable, line up your frames in tidy rows or a single column. Leave a little spacing between them and make sure there aren't stray frames sitting above or to the left that you don't intend to export first. Now, select the frames you want to include. You can click each frame on the canvas while holding Shift. Drag a selection box around them or pick them from the Layers panel. Be intentional. Only the frames you select will go into the PDF and they'll follow the visual order we just set up. With your frames selected, go to the main menu at the top. Left of Figma, choose File, and then click Export Frames to PDF. This opens the Export dialog. Here, look for the Quality drop-down and pick the setting that fits your needs. Low will keep the file size small. Great for quick previews, or when you are sharing by email. Medium balances clarity and file size for everyday use. High preserves the most detail, which is ideal if your designs include rich imagery or you plan to print. Higher quality typically means a larger file. So choose wisely based on how you'll use the PDF. Confirm your selection and start the export. In the desktop app, you'll be asked where to save the file. In the browser, it will download to your default location. Open the PDF and scroll through to verify your pages, follow the order you intended, and that images look crisp at the quality you selected. If something's off, adjust the frame positions or quality setting and export again. That's it. Thanks for watching.